In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your way with Google and make the most out of browsing your favorite products online. Our steps today are going to be straightforward, engaging, and a breeze to follow. Whether you're technologically savvy or just starting, you'll find this guide both useful and efficient. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Temu. You can simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Temu in your search bar. Once you're there, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of products waiting for you to explore. There's something inherently delightful about browsing through a myriad of options, especially when you know you can guide your search with precision. Now, as you begin to surf through the digital aisles, take your time. Look around, see what's trending or what strikes your interest. Found something intriguing? Fantastic. Give that product a click. This will swoop you right down to its detailed product page, where you can dive deeper into specifics, reviews, and perhaps even compare different models or options if available. Human nature is curious, and clicking on an item is like reading the most exciting chapter in a book. It reveals more than what meets the eye. Once you're on the product's page and feeling content with what you've discovered, there's a handy feature that lets you easily share your find. Look for the Share To button, you can't miss it. Click on this option and a menu should pop up with several sharing channels. But for our purposes, focus on the Copy Link option. This little action equips you to share the product URL effortlessly with anyone you think might benefit from seeing it, whether that's friends, family, or even a coworker in need of a good recommendation. There you have it. You're done. You've smoothly navigated through Temu with a little help from Google, found a product you like, and learned how to share it with others quickly. The internet can be a vast ocean, but with these steps, you've shown you can expertly chart your course like a seasoned sailor. As you continue your online explorations, remember these tips. They can enhance your browsing experience and make it more collaborative and enjoyable. I hope this guide makes your future shopping endeavors simpler and more effective. Feel encouraged to explore more and maybe even try sharing with a friend who's looking for something specific. Happy browsing, and see you in the next tutorial.